Yes, hello. This is Chris's vlog channel. And today we're going to be learning more natures. You see all this nature out here? Look at all those brick piles. He's an art of nature. First we're going to go, and this is called a tennis ball. Okay? You can use it and you use your foot and you put it on the ground and you try to kick it and make it over a net, and then the other people kick it and make it over a net. So you really just volley it back and forth. The tennis ball, you kick it and you make it over a net, and the other people. So yeah, here I'll do a quick examination for you. Pretend this line is the net. You go yeet, and then the other person over there would go yeet, and so forth and so on. And you do that forever. Okay, next thing. This, what I'm standing on, is a very old piece of brick. And crack in half. And John, you might not want to walk on it because it might crack in half. What are you doing? You see it's crying right now. Don't you want to get off? Yeah, this one will break. Step on it. Don't step on it. Told you. That was like 4 tears. Every crack they have in it is a tear. So, this thing is a football. Let me hold it. This is a football. You shoot it. Actually, you shoot it into a goal, and somebody's underneath the goal. And then you go like that, and you make it, and then somebody's underneath the goal like this. And you take it and chunk it across the field to a person named goal. Like that, and then he shoots it and makes it into the goal. And then so forth and so on until you die. Whoa. This is a golden artifact. This thing could be sold for $200,000 right this second. So, if you would like to sell, if you would like to make $200 from selling a piece of old shriveled up paper, then you click the like button and subscribe. Make sure to comment how much money you think you'd make from shriveled up paper like this. And then throw it up there where no one can get it. You throw it up there where no one can get it. I almost made it. That was close. Yes, now no one can get it and sell it. So, you just click the like button for no reason. Please don't unclick the like button. Okay, now on to another. I think we've already been over this. What is this called?
Turtle.
It's a stick.
Yes. See, John's vlog channel knows it. Mop all that dirt off. Poor little stick. Okay. Now, does anybody know what this is? Comment down below what this is.
It's a leaf.
Yes. Alright, I've already said this before. If you don't know it, you're just dumb. This is concrete, you dummy. Do you not see that? Dummy.
Seriously.
You're kidding me right now. I thought you were smarter than that. What is this? Besides all the leaves and stuff on it. That is a carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are not very strong. They're very breakable. Break this, please. Sir Hercules the second.
Where's Hercules?
He's at work today. To the huge leaves. This is a huge leaf right here. The leaf is breaking though. And this is an even bigger leaf. That leaf right there behind this fence. Okay. Is that all we have for you today? Wait, there's one more surprise. And let me wipe the grass off of you. It's a bunch of grass. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what this was. What is this? This is dirt. And this is grass. Pretty cool, huh? I bet you've never known these things for your... Ah, there's maggots on that. Look at... They're retards. Okay, I'll get it later. Come over here. Big surprise for you. It's for your... Ah, there's maggots on that. It's not only made out of paper, but it is also made out of grass and other dirt materials, like carbohydrates. What are you doing? Dumb. This dumb man better not turn this a good idea up. Now, I'm about to climb the guy. You ready? It's for your... Ah, there's maggots on that. Alright, now let's head to an outro. This is Chris's vlog channel, and this is my outro for today. Always make sure to always keep your carbohydrates and other materials separate, or else you will not be able to climb them like that other pole. I'll see y'all next week on a new video of 2 weeks ago. Alright? I'll see you later. Peace out. Alright, now cut it!